Welcome to the How to Edit Footer tutorial. Today, you'll learn how to edit your website's footer. The topics covered in today's tutorial are 1. Introduction to footers, how your website footer works, and how to edit your footer. Topic 1. Introduction to footers. Footers are the bottom section of your website's pages that generally contain your site logo, site navigation, social medias, and generally a button such as Contact Us. A website footer will appear across your entire website unless set in the conditions to not appear elsewhere. Every website built on Webity uses footers. Footers can be edited via hovering over the Edit with Elementor button on a page and selecting the section labeled footer, or via the Templates tab in the WordPress dashboard. Alternatively, if you're already editing a page via the Elementor editor, you can hover over the footer section and click Edit Footer to start editing it. Topic 2. How your website footer works. Your website's footer is essentially another section of your website. It is made up of different columns, each having their own widget within them and to the ratio of the selection that you'd like them to occupy. Footers use the same widgets as other widgets on your website from the Elementor editor panel. It is suggested to use the 3 different types of device footers already created for your website by Webity. Changing from desktop to tablet and from tablet to mobile responsive views will show you the 3 different types of optimized footers. All the different device footers will need to be edited for your website footer to look good on all devices. Topic 3. How to edit your footer. To start editing your footer, either hover over the Edit with Elementor button on any page and select the section labeled footer. Click Edit with Elementor via the Templates tab in the WordPress dashboard. Or alternatively, if you're already editing a page via the Elementor editor, you can hover over the footer section and click Edit Header to start editing it. Change the site logo, site navigation, social medias, and contact buttons according to how you'd like them. Adjust the column percentages for each widget to occupy the correct amount of space. Repeat these steps across the responsive device views, desktop, tablet, and mobile. Click on Update to save these changes. You've now learned how to edit your website's footer.